let's go. On popular demand, here's the tutorial. And first of all, shoot a video of yourself and take a screenshot of the part where you will be editing in your favorite celebrity. In my case here, I'm going to be using Taehyung's pic. So anyways, once you take a screenshot, go to your phone's gallery or any other application where you can crop this screenshot out, remove the unnecessary part, the charging bar and all that, etc. Save it once you're done, and then open the PicsArt app. Okay, once you open the PicsArt app, you will be able to add the screenshot. Here I am actually discarding the previous edit I was making. So anyways, open the PicsArt app and put the screenshot that you just took. You'll see your add photo option down there. Just click on that and then select the photo that you want to edit in. Now I will be selecting this photo of Taehyung and Jimin. Make the opacity go up to like 50%, so half of the line that is shown down there. This will benefit you in positioning Taehyung's face correctly on your shoulder. Once you're done with that, you will see the eraser button up on the screen. Just click on that and start erasing out yourself and the background. Okay, remember not to use this eraser on Taehyung's body because we do not want to erase him. We just want to erase the rest of the background in Taehyung's photo. So you're just blending your photo with Taehyung's photo. So erase everything else. You can then increase the opacity to 100 so that you can see minute details and make corrections that are required. You can change the thickness of eraser to like less or more depending on what area you are erasing. You can also zoom in to see like small details and just make it as smooth and natural looking as possible. And once you're done with everything, you can just zoom out, adjust the picture. You can play with it until and unless you are completely satisfied with the outcome. And once you're done with that, your screen will not go blank like this. I don't know why mine went, but anyways, once you're done with that, you'll be able to see final outcome, and then you can just go ahead and save it to your gallery. One more thing, this PicsArt is available on Play Store as well as App Store, so it's easy peasy. Then you simply have to go ahead and open the app Mega Photo. This is available on Play Store. That's me just covering my disgusting face. Okay, so anyways, there are so many filters. If you keep swiping, you'll find this ekdam jagmag, really tacky filter. And once you find that, click on settings button and click on image from gallery/library. Go find the image that you just edited and put it in here. Once you put it in here, the filter will automatically show. There are two options, so you can select whichever one you want. Then click on the recorder button and start recording. So you can take a recording of how much ever duration that you want. I have taken 7 seconds over here. You can take more if you want. That's just don't ignore that notification. Okay, after that, you simply have to open your reel. There again, my disgusting face. Okay, now you'll just add the video that you clicked previously, not the edited one. Add the video that you clicked previously. Edit it out, trim it to the part where you had taken the screenshot so that when you add the edited pic, it looks like a smooth transition. Once you're done with that, just add the part that you just recorded, with the flash and all. So add that part, and then you can go ahead to select music. I honestly struggled a lot to find the music because I wanted to use Winter Bear and I didn't find that over here. So what I actually did is I edited the video on InShot and added Winter Bear there. But here to show you guys, I'm going to use some other song. I decided to go with Yours, which is such a cute song. I'm obsessed with it currently. Ew, ignore my disgusting face. Wow, that double chin though. Okay, anyways, I start by adjusting the song to whichever part I want. And then I click on preview to see once how the video and the music are in sync. If I'm satisfied with it, I just go right away and post it. If I'm not, then I go back and I adjust the audio again, maybe a few seconds ahead or a few seconds behind. And then I again go see the preview. I keep doing this till I'm satisfied, so feel free to do that. And once I am, you just go ahead and put a cute ass caption to it and post it. I told you all it's easy, and see, it is. Okay, annyeong.